For you, it's different. At least you're on double pay.
I earned it. I fought at Carthage, the Helvetians.
For what I get, I might as well be on the dole.
I wouldn't worry about double pay if I were you.
Hey, how was the scourging?
Why didn't you come out and look?
We just came off guard just before you came.
Didn't say a word. Not once did he cry out. For 20 years, I have been leaving my marks on men. But I never beat a man like this one before.
How many times did you hit him?
If you want to know, go count the marks on him.
You're getting old.
I just used this on a real man.
Where'd they take him?
I don't know. I didn't watch.
Chief, where'd they take the man?
I don't know. I never care what happens to them when I get through with them. And that goes for this Carpenter King, too. I am done with him.
Throne, O Majesty. Put the king on his throne. Does he not now look like a king?
He's beginning to, but...
Of course. A scepter. Your scepter, mighty monarch.
A crown. That is what he lacks. The king needs a crown. Honor the gods, I'll make him one. I think this king ought to work a miracle.
A miracle indeed. Wine for everybody! He would not work one for Herod. But he should work one for us, his loyal subjects. After all, Majesty, aren't kings supposed to take care of their subjects? Perhaps instead of working a miracle, you will reveal something hidden to us. Tell us, O great king, who struck thee?
Who struck him?
Who struck thee? Who struck thee, O great king? Who struck thee, O king? Who struck thee, huh?
priests and elders are trying to get the people to ask for the death penalty.
A death penalty?
By crucifixion. Does Pilate wish the prisoner to die?
Does Pilate wish the prisoner to die?
Why do you think I had him scourged?
To save his life, by appeasing the people.
But it has not done so.
And you are now thinking how the death of this one man, this Jesus, would solve the day's difficulties? You would have done with Caiaphas and the promise of unrest among the people.
And I would have done with justice, too.
Is that why you had him scourged? He's still being scourged. I watched them. Now they scourge his dignity. He's the sport of the soldiers. He says he is a king, so they are making him a king.
But his death will solve nothing.
It will let the people spend their energies in channels not so dangerous to Rome or to you.
But they want to crucify him. They want to punish a man who is guilty of no crime.
There will be a sacrifice, and Caiaphas, the high priest, is pointing out a lamb. Inform that crowd, that hungry lion, that the lamb is not to be devoured, and it will find another victim.
I will not have his blood on my hands.
Why have you sent Christ to Pilate?
To be condemned. He has blasphemed.
Condemned to death?
That was the sentence of the council.
I have sinned, betraying innocent blood.
What is that to us? It concerns you only.
You should have seen Kiso. The crowd loved him.
Kiso? I'll teach him a thing or two. Just wait.
Think it will hurt?
Do I think it'll hurt? It made you scream. It'll make him scream.
Kiso could not make him scream. The chief couldn't do it with his whip.
That fat scourger. You want to hear this Jesus scream? You wait till Ahab gets at him.
Where's the crown?
We need a robe. A royal robe.
Make way for the king's crown. Make way.
Let's go see.
The crown.
The king will have a crown!
Crown the king? Yeah! Shall I? Yeah! I crown you king.
Ordering a man scourged is one thing. But this... And everything in silence. Why? He could have stopped it all with a word to Pilate, to Herod. Why didn't he?
Maybe it's what he says he is. And his legions are on their way to save him now.
There's more to this than we see. This is not just punishment. You Romans are always bragging about your justice. Where's your justice now?
This is not Roman justice. Everyone here has a share in this. For everyone except you.
I scourged him.
What's this?
You've had your sport. Now Pilate wants him.
Silence! I am bringing him out to you. Behold the man.
Demand your right! The cross for him!
Crucify him!
Take him yourselves and crucify him. You cannot, nor can I, for I find no fault in him.
We have our own law, and by our law, he ought to die for pretending to be the Son of God.
Bring the prisoner inside. Where do you come from? What? You have no word for me? Do you not know that I have power to release you and power to crucify you?
You would not have any power over me at all if it had not been given you from above. That is why the man who gave me up to you is more guilty.
Take him before the judgment seat.